everyone, and welcome back to another experiment. Today we're going to see what happens if you install OpenShell in Windows 7. So what does OpenShell do? It makes the taskbar look like Windows 7. But what if we're running Windows 7? Let's see what happens. So I've got the OpenShell thing right here, and I'll leave an ISO down in the description so you can easily download this and use it in your VMs. So I'm just going to run this. And also the reason I did this is because I had no internet on this VM, because for some reason my internet on the VM is not working. So you can see welcome to the OpenShell setup wizard. This acts exactly just like OpenShell. You can see install, working very nice. You can see that it's going to install OpenShell now, so that might take a while. So I'll be back after that's done. Alright, and it finished the installer here, and click the finish button. We can click the finish button to close out of that. And the thing we gotta do is we got to make sure OpenShell is running. So, oh, there we go. It's running now. So, settings for the OpenShell menu. So, what we can do is we already have the start button. So, I guess we can just go into this, and then we can open up. So, this is like this is the one column start menu, which actually doesn't look that bad. But if we load this start column, you can see this kind of looks like the Windows 7 one, but this is the Windows 7 style. Now, this does look like the Windows 7 one. This actually looks like the Windows 7 one, and we can select their skin here, so I wonder what that is. We can show the user profile, small icons, large icons. We have all these different skins. We got a metallic skin. We can press like OK. Let's see what we got. With the metallic skin here, let's open up the start menu, and that actually looks pretty good. You can see that the metallic skin has applied for this. Let's open OpenShell back up. As you can see, let's go to settings. But let's see the Windows 8 skin. We'll click OK. You can see that this is a more modern version of the Windows 7 start menu. You can see pretty nice, and it actually works, which I'm actually very, very surprised that this actually worked. But let's just switch this back to the Windows arrow about the skin. You can see default skin to use Windows 7. You can see that there's a bunch of things that you can do here. For example, you can go into the taskbar, and you could customize the look of your taskbar and make it transparent, because you might want to make the taskbar transparent. Who knows? There we and then you click on OK. And let's see if the taskbar actually becomes a bit transparent here. So we'll just click OK. Barely. And I think you gotta restart Explorer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this here, Explorer.exe. We're gonna restart Explorer. How do you? Oh, we're gonna kill Explorer. Kill Explorer, and then we're going to run Explorer.exe. If we can find it here. Where is Explorer located? Is it in? I think it's in Windows. Yeah, it should just be in Windows right here. Explorer. No, it's not. I don't see it. It might be in C window. Oh wait, no, that's what System 32. Let's go to C Windows. Yeah, Explorer. Let's run it. And for some reason, wait, what just happened? Let's go back to the VM here. Anyways, yeah, we're back. You can see, oh, this actually applied more of an arrow-like version of the Windows 7 start menu, and you can see it actually works. You can see the launcher, but yeah. Yeah, of course it failed to load the thing here. Because VMware Tools won't install, so this is SP1 here. As you can see, I'll just show you real quick that this is SP1. But I have 1920 by 1080 for some reason. Oh, this thing only has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Oh yeah, that probably explains a lot. It does detect the AMD Ryzen 7 3700U, which it probably shouldn't detect. And we also got this OpenShell menu here, which is very very crazy. So classic Explorer settings. We'll make it look like the Windows XP simple thing, and let's click OK. Let's use it every time, and the next time you open up an Explorer window. So let's open up an Explorer window here. No, we don't actually see this. Let's go back to the settings here. And oh, we can like show all of this. Like, don't show the up button. We can hide the up button. So yeah, we can like open Explorer back up again, and there's no up button. As you can see there is no up button. You can also see that this Windows thing looks like the classic Microsoft Windows XP experience, kind of. So yeah, it's basically classic shell on Windows 7. It just does the start menu will look the exact same because it is Windows 7, and classic shell will work on Windows 7. I was kind of expecting this not to work on Windows 7. I thought this would not work, but surprisingly, it did. So yeah, that's basically the end of this short little experiment type of thing. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Uh, yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I can't wait. But oh, one last thing before we get into this is the thing. We can have this arrow button here, which you can see that the start button has changed. We can have this classic button that looks like a Windows 95 or 98 button, and we can have a custom button, which would work. I used to use classic shell on my actual computer, by the way, guys. I used to actually use it, but I stopped using it after I got this computer here because I didn't really want to mess with it. So I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.